like to welcome Ramesh Anchpali, Head EUC, Hollywood, India and SARC, and Regional Manager South. Again, virtualization. Everything is revolving around virtualization. So while virtualization has become all pervasive, you all know, and you have your views on software-defined data centers, right, which is coming to your rescue. And Ramesh would throw light on those aspects. And some other questions, some other areas that you would be interested in perhaps would be what could be your challenges or hurdles in terms of virtualizing your business critical applications, where again, cloud is somewhere related to that. And how are you aligning your organizational assets with virtualization? How are you combining, or how are you trying to give that kind of freedom to your employers, right? Employees. So Ramesh, you could take it.
Yeah, I'll just summarize as a company what we do. Our vision is to radically simplify IT, right? To integration software. Be it compute, be it network, be it storage, doesn't matter. So our vision is to put things into line. Everybody believes that software has changed the world, right? Companies like LinkedIn, where we have entire recruitment happens, things like Facebook, these are all at the end of the day software. At VMware, we believe the entire data center can be controlled through software in the future. And we believe that the software-defined data center is going to be the architecture for the cloud. And if you think that I just virtualize compute, a couple of servers I virtualized, that's not going to be stopped there. And we already helping a lot of customers to virtualize the entire data center. Just to give you statistics, why you should bet on VMware. We have more than 500,000 customers worldwide. And we have more than 70 billion virtual machines virtualized on VMware, which we have already crossed the physical servers. That means if you start putting the physical servers, Great Wall of China is not enough, right? And the another track record is we are in the innovation companies in the Forbes list 3. That means we are the third company in the Forbes list of innovation. And more importantly is we are focusing our energies in 3 areas, very simple. The first thing is how do we help organizations that they can able to comfortably virtualize the entire data center. That we call as a software-defined data center. And the second, as a lot of people are thinking about contemplating, yes, I still continue to use some of the resources in my private cloud, and I want to go with public cloud, but as somebody said that I have challenges of backup, I have challenges of manageability. How do we give the same seamless experience? That means whatever console you are seeing in the private cloud, how do we make that same interface available in the public cloud, right? We started with the hybrid cloud services from VMware. We already started operations in US and Europe, and we are very soon going to have a public cloud in India. And we already have more than 500 service providers who signed up agreements with VMware. They have started offering cloud services based on VMware in India. And the beauty is we provide an extension that will not lock you, that you cannot move a workload from your private or public. It is as simple as that you can move the workload from private to public whenever you require. And the third important thing is we want at the end of the day you virtualize applications or you're running your applications, at the end of the day a user has to connect and a user has to work on it. Our mobility story is we want to make an employee comfortably carry his work in his pocket, right? That means today organizations have a lot of challenges, saying that there are a lot of devices coming into my organization. I don't know how do I secure the data, and how do I make that if a non-trusted device coming into my organization and accessing my data, how do I make sure that I can control what I want and at the same time I give freedom to the employees, right? This is exactly the 3 solutions areas we have been focused in addressing end-to-end. Any questions you have, in fact, I have a lot of answers to your questions I want you to ask in terms of be it networking, be it mobility related security issues. In fact, we provide solutions in such a way that you give a mobile email client example, right? An email or a data. We will make sure that the user data, he cannot copy, he cannot take the data into his personal phone. In fact, you can go into a restriction that let's say suppose you give an email capability, you can restrict an employee that he can only send emails to a particular domain if you want. He cannot send an email to Gmail, right? That kind of a sophisticated technologies which are available end to end, right? Be it virtual desktops, be it technologies like app publishing, be it technologies like data anywhere, be it technologies like MDM, MAM, device management, anything end to end we talk about it, we have solutions there, right? And coming into the software-defined data center, we are the leaders in the virtualization. In fact, Gartner treats us as the number 1 when it comes to virtualization. And we are now innovating so much on the network virtualization. the big thing we believe is after virtualization. As a simple example, as I said, for 70 million virtual machines, even though you take an average of 4 network ports per server, right? That means even though you take more than a million virtual ports are already virtualized by VMware. And as somebody said that, when you move a single server, I have 40 servers, 50 servers connecting to virtual machine, but from my server, I'm only getting 2 network ports out. Your virtual switch, what you're talking about, physical switch is already virtualized and moved into the software layer. Because there is a switch which is running in the server where you are connecting multiple machines to the switch, and all you are doing is your physical server network port is acting like an uplink, right? That was a transformation VMware have done, and it is pretty impressive. And we never let any customers in India. We have more than 4,500 customers in India, and all they do is they put their hands on their heart and say we are running in the safe hands. Right? That's the credibility what VMware have acquired in India as well as in abroad. Right? I don't want to stop you for the dinner, sir. I know it is very important. I want to take questions because all of you have a lot of things when it comes to BIOD, when it comes to software defined data center, anything, right? I'm available, my entire team is here. We can catch up and take questions from you.
Yeah, we would be happy to take it offline. And before we conclude, I would like to just ask a jury member, Mr. Ajay Bakshi, to